Do versus make. What's the difference? The difference between make and do can vary depending on the context, but generally speaking, make is used when creating or constructing something, while do is used when performing an action or completing a task. Here are some examples to illustrate the distinction. Make. Making a cake. Making a sculpture. Making a decision. Making a plan. In these examples, make is used when creating or producing something tangible or abstract, such as a physical object, a choice, or a strategy. Do. Doing homework. Doing the laundry. Doing exercise. Doing a presentation. In these examples, do is used when performing an activity or completing a task. It typically refers to actions or activities that do not involve creating or producing something specific. However, there are instances where the usage of make and do can overlap or be interchangeable, and it's important to consider the specific context and idiomatic expressions. Here are a few additional points to note. Idiomatic expressions. English has several fixed expressions where make or do are used. For example, we say make a mistake, make a phone call, do the dishes, do your best, etc. These expressions have specific usage patterns and should be learned as individual phrases. Collocations. Certain verbs collocate more naturally with either make or do. For instance, we say make breakfast, lunch, dinner, make a decision, choice, do business, do homework, chores, etc. These collocations are conventional and may not follow strict rules. Regional and situational variations. The usage of make and do can vary in different English-speaking regions and specific situations. Observing and adapting to the linguistic patterns commonly used in your context is advisable. Remember that these guidelines provide a general understanding of the distinction between make and do, but there can be exceptions and nuanced usage in specific cases.